There's a new and important feature on your Tabula Rasa that you'll hardly find on any other designer watch: the diver's screw. To ensure maximum water resistance and to avoid damaging the crown, make sure it's always screwed down securely. Here's a simple overview showing how to use the diver's screw. Release the crown by turning it counterclockwise. When the crown is released, pull it out one click and turn it clockwise to adjust the date. To adjust the time, pull the crown out one more click and turn to set the time. When you're done, make sure you always screw the crown back into the closed position firmly. Do this by pushing down on the crown until it reaches the thread. Add a little pressure and screw it clockwise until it seals tightly. It's as simple and awesome as that. For other good-to-know tips, read the manual in your watch box. Have a great time.